Friends, today we will discuss class 11 maths first chapter set. So, first of all we will understand the meaning of set. Set, we can say it is a collection, we can say it is class, aggregate, clear. So, set means collection, and the things that we are collecting, these are called, the name are elements. What we are collecting? Elements, objects and member. So, three things that we are collecting, that is called elements, object and members, clear. So, what is the definition of the set? Finally, we can define set. Set is a well defined collection of object, comma, member or elements. So, set is a well defined collection of object, members and elements. Now, the question is, what I mean to say that the well defined? Well defined means they are related. We collect all the elements, object or member which are related, clear. एक ऐसे member का collection जो एक दूसरे से related होगा, they are related to each other, clear, means they have a same characteristics. We collect these numbers. So, we can understand it by the example. The many example there. So, we will take a collection of first 5 prime natural number, the collection of first 5 prime natural numbers, clear. So, we can write it as A is equal to curly bracket start the collection of first 5 prime number. So, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, clear. So, this is called a set. So, set is what? Set is collection of well defined, set is a collection of well defined objects. So, now the question is, what is well defined in this one? So, we can say, how can we say it is set? Because first of all they all are related, that they are prime number, clear. So, what is the relation? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are related, that they are a prime number, clear. So, we are collecting first 5 prime number and we write them as capital letter is equal to curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, this is the representation of set. Clear? How we represent a set? Clear? So the representation is, just look at that, the representation of set. We can represent the set as any capital alphabet. Suppose that B is equal to, so we start a curly bracket and write down the member inside of that bracket. Clear? Suppose that the collection of vowels of English alphabet, the collection of vowels of English alphabet. So we know that these are A, then we take comma, then I, then O, then U. So this is the representation of set. Set is represented by a capital letter B, and this is the collection, curly bracket and inside. So these are called elements, members or object. This whole is called set. Clear? So a single line we can write it as B is a set of vowels in English alphabet. Alphabets. Clear? In my next video, we will discuss description of set.